See this right here? See this? Recover Tactical, right? PIX Plus. That's what that is. So, this is all the pieces. That turns my regular Glock, right? This is a 40 cal Glock. So now, you take your Glock, pop the joint in, shut it up, fasten it, and now, you got yourself a rifle with a folding stock. And now, what you have is a much more tactical Glock. You have a handgun with 2 30-round mags, an additional 15-round mag, a laser, a red dot, and a shoulder brace. So now, it's much more tactical, much more accurate.